Video number 5. Create landing pages that convert. If you want people to take some kind of action once they visit your page, you need to create a landing page that is engaging and compelling enough to convince them to take the step that you want them to. To do this, you need to follow CONVERT's formula. Convert's formula is: C means clear call to action, O means offer, N means narrow focus, V means via, very important attributes, E means effective headline, R means resolution savvy layout, T means tidy visuals, S means social proof. Clear CTA. A CTA should make it clear what value you are offering your prospective customer, and it should also be relevant to your website landing page. Offer. An offer is usually a discount coupon, a free trial, a free downloadable white paper, etc. Narrow focus. Keep your landing pages simple, and only focus on one thing at a time. Very important attributes. You need to convince visitors that there is a very good reason for them to do what you want, and to do this you have to highlight the best features of your product. Effective headline. Create clear and informative headlines that clearly articulate what your business is actually all about. Resolution savvy layout. Make sure that your layout allows for the wide variety of different user experiences by keeping the most essential parts of your message, example, the logo, headline, call to action, and the supporting visual in the center top of the screen. Tidy visuals. As with your headlines, you want to make sure that you have one simple visual that your user will see. Unappealing, low quality, or too many visuals will distract from your message. Social proof. Humans are social creatures, and we tend to listen to our neighbors, friends, and strangers more than we do a business. This is why testimonials, reviews, and user numbers are all super effective in convincing others. Online advertisement can be highly effective in driving short-term traffic, but you should always remember to start small and test out what works for you. Do not put all your eggs into one basket. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.